Hey everybody, quick little chart. This is the dollar versus the stock market versus silver versus gold, or the stock market versus dollar, silver, and gold, or silver, well, any of these asset classes against the other three. It's more of a comparison video since the summer of 1971. And I remember watching a video about a year ago or so, maybe a couple years ago, and it was a CNBC video where Larry Kudlow was talking about, well, how about the dollar? The dollar is just so amazing. And, well, it was in regards to, I think, this rally that it had in here. As gold was going lower, and he talks about how the dollar is that of a king dollar and giving gold absolutely no precedence, where the dollar is getting destroyed. The gold, at least in comparison against silver, the stocks, and the dollar, has pretty much been at the top. It's been at the top since this level, and at least from 71 to about 96 or so, it was at top. Yet, the dollar's supposed to be an amazing asset. Well, obviously, if you put dollars in 1971 in a suitcase, under your bed, in a safe, anything in that nature, your buying power has gotten destroyed. If you put gold or silver in a suitcase, in a safe, or something of that nature from 71 and you hold it today, your value has held. If you bought stocks in 71, your value has also done decent. Now, a lot of this depends on when you start the chart. For when these charts begin, they all have equal par values. At the start of this chart, they all had a value of about 1,000 on the index. The dollar, it's already well under 100, if not under 50 on this chart. It's logarithmic. I don't have the values on here, but they're really not needed, I don't think. Now, an interesting thing about this chart is the first 14, 13 years of it. The dollar and stocks go down together. They both bottom roughly around the same period of time. But what you notice is how they break away from each other at this moment here. The stock market goes in an upward trend, while the dollar in a downward trend. A lot of that was because they brought gold and silver down. And the stock market topped roughly at the end of the 20th century. Gold bottomed roughly before the end of the 20th century, while silver, it was a late bloomer. But during this decade, or since 2000, the stock market, it's in a downward trend. In fact, it has already broken the support level and found resistance at this point here. Gold is in an upward trend. Silver, same thing, upward trend. And the dollar, well, it's getting destroyed. Where if I were to take this chart from 1913, maybe 1930, maybe from 1950, it would be the same as this. The dollar is in the bottom. If I started here, started here, started here, started here, started here, started here, the dollar is always losing. It's because of inflation. It's because when you print the money off in the manner that they do, increasing the money supply at the levels that they do, then the net result is going to be a declining value in the dollar. I will have this chart available in the more information box for download. Thank you for watching this video, and have yourself a great day.